Review Hub. Brand name Liectroux. Weight 6 to 10 kilograms. Battery type Li-ion. Liquid tank volume below 3 liters. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity in liters, 0.5 liters. Filter type, HEPA. Size in mm, 320 by 320 by 97. Battery life, 2 hours. Cleaning route, planned type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Timing reservation, yes. Special suction nozzle. Multifunctional combined brush. Dust storage type, dust box or dust bucket. Installation, robot. Power, in watts, 40. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Brand name, Liectroux. Voltage, 14.8 V. Battery, 3,200 milliamp hour lithium. Self dust collector suction, 35,000 PA. Robot max suction, 6,500 PA. Navigation, dual Laser+SLAM. Battery life, 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Multiple floors maps, yes. Room customized management, yes.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.